Good evening. My husband Frank, a German, will try some Filipino food this evening. This is actually from my mom when she was still here. Here, sweet tamarind. Guys, kabalo mo ani, bukayo. And the banana thing, pinasugbo yung may latik bitaw, guys. So, ready? 1, 2, 3. Can you open that for him? That's sweet tamarind, Frank. Yeah.
It looks like
Yeah.
caramel bonbon.
Caramel bonbon. You stay there, right?
It's probably far away from that, isn't it?
It's tamarind. You know
I
tamarind,
don't know
right?
what tamarind is.
Tamarind, the soury fruit. You don't know that?
I don't eat that. Did I?
No, you haven't. But I don't know. Maybe in Thailand.
Why is there dark ones and there's lighter ones? Are they already out of date?
No, they are still up. They are still not. They are not expired. Yeah. So show. You should not be like that. It's Filipino food.
A bit soury and a bit sweet.
You like it? It's not bad, nah? Huy, careful! There's 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 a seed inside. There's a seed.
Is that a fruit?
Yeah?
Is
It's
that
a
a fruit?
fruit. It's a fruit candy.
I thought there was a candy made out of that fruit, but that's a fruit.
Yeah, yeah, still there. It's really a fruit.
Oh.
Fresh fruit.
If you hadn't said that, I would have bitten on that now to get rid of that.
Yeah. If you eat that, you eat bit by bit. Yeah. But some has no seed because they are, so the fruit is like three like that. Then in the middle, some don't have seed and some has. So I'm just saying you careful because maybe it has a. So, you like it? Give rate.
3.
3. 3.
If
It's 3. So how much more the two of them? Since I find that yummy than the two of them. Yeah.
yeah,
Why? You wasted.
should I eat that?
Yeah, you should eat.
How long is that going to take?
No, you should bite.
Yeah.
Then but slowly, yeah. See, you feel the seed or there's no seed?
Very sandy. Very
Sandy, yeah, because it's sugar and it's a coated and they make it really sticky, then coated with sugar, tamarind coated with sugar. Yeah, that's it.
It's very intensive now.
Yeah.
If I'm in the mood for that, maybe
You will like
would
it.
taste.
Yeah.
But it has a side taste, side
Yeah.
effect of that.
That's
I don't know what that is.
It's the
maybe
soury.
tamarind itself.
yeah, the
No, I
tamarind.
don't mind the soury stuff. But there's a side taste. I don't know how to describe that. It's like in Germany we have lakritze.
Lakritz, eh?
And that also has a side effect.
When
Side
you
taste.
when you bite,
you
right?
chew that
Yeah,
and when you
bite.
keep
Yeah.
sucking it, when you keep sucking it and you don't swallow it.
Okay.
And then if you keep it long in your mouth, then it will have that side effect as well.
Okay.
Tamarind is the same.
Yeah.
It's also a side effect. You cannot place it where it's coming from. You must like it. If you don't like it, then you don't like these.
Come on, next.
So now,
Next one, guys, is the bukayo. You want to know what it's made from?
of course.
It's a coconut.
Okay,
from
that
coconut.
sounds good.
Yeah, sounds good though, guys. from coconut. Okay. So I give you one.
One piece.
Yeah.
You know it's out of date. It has been
No,
been in
it's
storage
not.
for
It's
I don't
September.
know, September 2010.
September 30.
13. September 13.
30. It says and it's still August now.
2013.
Wait. Wait. No! Oh my God! Sorry. Guys! Hindi na video! Yung pinasugbo. You already tried and you will keep on talking but it was not real. So again. He needs to, the last bit guys, sa pinagsugbo. Hindi ko na video. I was thinking it was playing. Pinasugbo made of banana with coated.
Banana skin.
It's not a banana skin. He thinks it's a banana skin. So, again.
I had a very funny, how to say, oh shit. I was saying earlier, this looks like, you should not look at all these foods because some of the foods are looking really gross. And this one here, the banana stuff, it looks like somebody left it in the sofa while watching TV and then forgot about it. And that's actually how it happened, how they came to the taste of it. So it got stuck there between the sofa cushions, I guess. And after 1 month, somebody found it by cleaning. And then I thought, oh, and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna taste it. What it's like. And the guy or person, whoever it was, thought it was very tasty and had a new invention what to do out of banana, old banana. Tastes actually not bad.
So actually this is the third Filipino food you have tasted. There's only 3 stuff here now I have left because when I'm checking now the fridge, I found out that we have still loads of Filipino foods from mom. So now he needs to try them all because he doesn't like them.
I didn't eat that before.
Yeah.
And
Now
I probably won't eat it again either. It's just for you guys, I'm suffering here.
so
I had here 3. This one I had 6.
so
And I think that one, I give it also a 6.
so this
Because
is
it's
the
really not that bad, it's just gross looking. But if you don't look at it and you just have to taste, you could get used to it. It's sort of tasty.
So this is 3 out of 10. The sweet tamarind. 6 yung bukayo out of 10. And the pinasugbo is 6 out of 10.
Make it 7, because the funny thing is, I don't taste the banana in this one.
Yeah?
So who knows what it was? Probably not banana. They just call it like that because it looks like a banana that was stuck between the cushions.
It's a banana thing. 7 out of 10. So he likes it more. So Ella.
How do you like that?
Ella is...
She doesn't like that?
No, she was eating that before.
So
But-
you can have that now?
Yeah, but this thing, the weird thing
There's
for
a weird
this...
thing about that?
No, the weird...
I
It's
knew
just so weird that the Filipino normally only get this for pasalubong to bring,
foreigners.
to bring to, like for example, Catherine in Kuwait, they're gonna buy it like this because they have to bring it somewhere with a friend, Filipino friend. But when we are in the Philippines, when we're staying there, we don't remember buying this to eat for ourselves. So I don't know if it's only me who thinks that, but mostly I get a present from this from Cebu. In Cebu, they really have a tasty pinasugbo. So I remember before when somebody is from Cebu, they bring either utap like that or some delicacy from Cebu. So this we don't get often in Philippines, that we buy it for ourselves to have it like like the way we buy muffins here then for
Yeah,
ourselves.
yeah,
No,
yeah.
we normally bought that to
give
bring.
as a
Yeah,
present.
yeah. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's the way I think. But I'm not sure if you are also the same. But
you know, when you watch TV or something like that, you know, we Europeans, we like more salty, not sugar stuff. But you can have that easily on front of a TV when you're watching a movie. Just to have some taste. in
yeah,
it.
so I will keep this for him.
Shit.
It's in the video now, no? So
That's the best from all.
from the among the three.
Even though I don't like any other way than just show me the banana again because
Was cut.
these are the banana the way we know it in Europe. Fresh, maybe not fresh because when they're fresh then they green, but yellow, we like them like that. No stains, so nice and hard. It's completely different to a dried, forgotten banana where you sit on, maybe farted on, and stayed there for weeks. But you can eat that. That one I would suggest.
So
More foreigners will like that instead of the other two.
that's it.
Even though it looks gross, but you should not look at it. Thank you.
But Filipino don't find that gross.
I don't like it.
Careful with the paper, no?
It's gross, yeah, it's gross looking at it. But if you don't look at it and you just have to taste, it's like,
Tasty.
and it's messy, it's sticky. You don't want to touch that.
So we're gonna end this now.
Yeah.
So it's
Over and
gonna
out.
end the vlog.
Where's the
Ella.
bucket? Where's the bucket?
Bye bye.
No, you say
Ella, where's the bucket? Are we still on? Hi, bye. Yummy, yummy.
so ayun. So ayun guys.
Somebody get me the bucket.
So thank you for watching for the nonsense. So bye bye Ella. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Frank, bye bye.
Oh, nice voice, huh? Bye bye.
So bye bye.